Alright guys, today we got a T-51B Power Armor Helmet from Fallout. Do a quick look at the box.
Nobody can come over here. Wait.
This is a really cool box. It's a big box. Go ahead and open this up. So you get instructions for the helmet, some AAA batteries. Looks like you put them in the bottom there. Maybe it lights up. That's pretty cool. And then we got some pins. It's pretty cool. What else? Got a keychain in here. Oh, that's cool.
Dad, we buy the hamster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's a poster.
We buy the hamster.
I'll have to open that up and take a look at it here in just a minute.
Dad, we buy the hamster.
Let's get to the good part.
Dad, we buy the hamster.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dad, we can't get hamsters. We can't get hamsters.
Oh, that's cool.
We can't build the home with them. We need to build the home with them, Dad.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. What the hamsters?
This is a helmet.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is a huge helmet, Trevor.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah, how you gonna put it on you?
The detail on it's really neat. I'm trying to figure out if it lights up or what the deal is with the batteries.
See the detail.
Let's see, does this move a little bit? No?
You can go outside with it. Wait.
Oh, okay. I see something down here, so it's got to be something. Maybe it makes some noises. It is a huge helmet, and you can stick your. It is wearable. The batteries go in there, so it does. Maybe it's a voice changer, I think is what it is. We're gonna have to put them in there and check it out. But the helmet is huge.
Yeah? How you gonna put it on
That's a
you?
big helmet, boy. Look at the size of you compared to that helmet. Trevor, come here. Let's look at this. Let's look at this compared to you real quick. Stand right there. Look at this helmet compared to this kid. Trevor, look at me. It's huge.
Yeah. Dad.
Yeah.
I can take.
Nuka Cola. This is pretty cool helmet though.
Yeah?
So we'll have to put some batteries in here and try it out and see exactly what it does. You know what I mean?
Okay, Dad, but Dad, I can take some this off. Dad, I can